Dito kami sa Cool Skies. Ang asawa ko may na-return siyang ano. Ayun yung mga ano nila. Spoon naman, ng mga ano. Ang dami silang mga ano talaga. Ito is ano, ibang store to. Ganyan. I love cute. Wow, that's so cute. I love this one. Look at that. Diba cute? Madami silang mga anik-anik dito. Maganda tong coffee. Ay lang, maganda talaga. I like this. It's so like, ito naman, parang ano siya, soup. Magdudas-dudas. Dahil silang clearance. Clearance means may mga, ano sila, may mga damit na mura lang. I don't know kung mura talaga siya. Sabi ng asawa ko, huwag maniwala. Ito para mga table, ano to, placemat for the table. So, while waiting for my husband, I'll show you around. Nag-return. May binalik siyang, ano. Ang ganda. Maganda pang design. Ayun yung pormahan. May mga mirrors sila dito. Mga frames na ilalagay mo sa bahay. Ang gaganda. Yan. Doon yung asawa ko. Pabantay. Ang ganda din nito. Mga ano, unan sa living room. Madami silang clearance. Mura lang. Christmas tree. Magkano na lang yan kasi ano na. Out of the season. Alang cute ng mga ganyan. Pang design. Sa bahay. Bet ko yung tulips na totoong ano talaga. Daming mga anik-anik talaga dito. Kung may pera ka. Ito parang ano siya. Ornaments? May ornaments to. 7 ano na lang. 69. Pero mahal pa rin. Christmas. Nabenta na ng 50% off. Ito mga Christmas decoration. Maganda talaga bilhin mo siya o kapag tapos na yung season kasi mura. Yan. Christmas. Matagal pa yung Christmas. Ay, lang cute ng mga ornaments. Yan, may mga ornaments. Gusto ko mag-collect ng ornaments. Iba-ibang ornaments yung gusto ko. Kung hindi puros balls lang. Yan, ito clearance, 50%. Ala, mga Christmas ano. Mga jacket talaga ko. Mura lang. Magkano to? Yan. Dami silang clearance. Yan, mga pants na pang ano. Christmas. 50% na lang. $24.99. 11, 24 na lang. Ito. Wala, kaloka. 50%. Pera lang yung kulang dito, pero ito magagandang short. Pang ano, pang balikbayan back sa Pinas. Sa kapatid ko. Marami na kasi akong nabili sa kanila. So, hindi na ako bibili ng mga shorts. Dami na akong nabili sa kanila. Meron din sila mga luggages dyan. Mga coffee maker. Mga microwave. Mga ganun. Ito yung asawa ko. Hintay ko yung asawa ko. Gala muna ko kayo dito. Yan, may mga ano din sila. Medyas. Daming klaseng medyas. May mga undergarments din sila. Punta tayo sa t-shirt. Hindi ako bibili ng bra dito kasi nakabili na ako ng bra sa Pepper. Pepper siya. Ang ganda. May mga sports bra din sila. Punta tayo sa clearance. Ayan. Ito muna ako dito. Wait lang. May mga bags sila. Ayan, maganda to. Yung kaibigan niya, yung nanay ng kaibigan ng asawa ko, ano, ginawa niya ako ng scarf. Made of, what I call this kind of, kalimutan ko yung materials, pero maganda siya. Ito, kapag sa winter. Ito maganda to sa tainga kasi kapag winter. Patapos naman yung winter. Magmumura na to kapag maano na yung winter season matapos. Yan, may mga jewelry din sila. Yung kapatid ko nag-aano ng mga, mga earrings. Alam ko, cute talaga sis. Yan o. Ang gaganda. Ala, this is so nice. Look at the design. How much is this one? Nanira ka pa talaga. This is so cute. Check this out. Magkano? Yan, ang ganda. This is $14. Ang mahal naman yan. Meron naman akong kwentas na totoo talagang ano, gold at ano, naka-jacket lang. Daming tao. Kapag pupunta kami dito, konti lang yung tao. Ito parang pangbahay. Pwede mo siya suotin. Ang cute. Daming scarf, belt. Ay, grabe. Ah, kasi madaming clearance. That's why madaming tao. Mura na lang yung mga ano nila. Gusto ko yung mga top na wools, yung ano, materials. Ayan. 50% clearance. Ulit. Ito mga best. Mga best naman ito. Ito yung mga bet kong materials. Mga ganito. Ay, tinatawagan ako ng asawa. What? I'm here in the woman's area. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Bye. Tinakasawa ko, nahanap niya na ako kung saan ako. Yan, clearance 50%. Ito ang ganda. Ganda nito. Tignan mo, walang may umaayon sa konti lang yung nagtatrabaho dito. Ito. Kung mahanap ako, bibilhin ko. Pero kapag wala akong bet, di ko siya bibilhin. Parang dalawang top na dito yung nabili ko pang winter. Depende kung may oras kang pumili. Ganyan, mga pants. Pants sila dito. Short. Maganda kapag spring and summer. Yan. Nahanap na ako ng asawa. Mga lalaki kasi yung ano, yung mga waist. So, ang liit ko. Walang cute this one. It's like a skirt. Bag natin. Namamawis na naman yung kamay ko. Hindi ko to bet yung mga ganito. Pero maganda din. This one is $44.99. Shit, ang mahal. $44.99 for that. Ganyan. Ang nilipis. Ito maganda kapag sa bahay lang. I'm here. You found me. You found me. Congratulations.
Oh, I found you. Here you go. 50% off.
Oh, we got 50% off. If I find something.
We're leaving now. Come on.
Uwi na daw kami. We're going to Costco, right? Stop by.
Costco.
So if I'm gonna find some. Oh, look at this.
What's the
It's so big
skirt?
though. Skirt. It's so big for me.
Chop the bottom.
And it's so long. Daming clearance. This is like large. This is small.
We can make two of those for you.
This is good for summer and spring. This.
Summer.
I said if I find something, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, shorts.
Shorts or underwear?
Shorts. That's not underwear. Asawa ko to. Ano din. Look at this one. Looks cute. Oops. Run. Look at this. This is what I like. The material. The wools.
The woolly wool.
But it's so big. I like the design.
Oh, right. So you have 4 months of winter, 4 months of summer, 4
This
months
is
of spring.
Buy one, get one.
Buy one,
Half
get one.
off.
That's a BOGO.
Ito, another-
You call that a BOGO?
Another clearance na naman tayo. If you love doing clearance, you have a lot of time to do that. Because, takes time to find what you like.
What you should do is you buy the stuff that's real cheap and sell it online. for twice
So,
the price.
online.
You should start a business.
Ito, shorts. I'm gonna check the shorts. Daming short. This is so cutie.
That'll fit you.
Where
wouldn't
the
it?
fit you?
Me? I don't know. It's a little long for me.
Look at me. Show me the ano. This. So cute though.
You have to wear that up to your armpits.
It's skirt. It's not supposed to be. I think so. Do you think? Let me
That's not
see.
gonna fit you.
24. Maybe you have to wear it like
That
this.
that might be too big.
Pero ang cute.
How are you gonna wear that?
That's so cute though.
That's a large model.
Is it?
Yeah, you gotta fit in that.
Oh,
Maybe you and your sister can wear it like a potato sack.
so funny. So funny. It's a big skirts here.
Because you're in the large. Look, this is extra. You gotta go to the small.
Oh, look at that. That's so cute.
For who?
Nothing. For you. Oh, they have another one.
I'll be a little tight on me. Is that small? Those are mediums. Keep
it's-
looking. Medium, extra small. Here we go. That's large. You don't want that.
Yeah.
Too large.
They mix it though.
This is
It's
extra,
already
Extra
mixed.
small. Lime green.
Someone mixed it. Oh, no way.
Oh, this is good for you.
It's good for you.
Does it go with my eyes?
Missy? Okay, wala akong may mapili, guys.
What about this one? This is extra small. Look.
That's so cute, my love. Oh my gosh.
70% off.
Look at this. That's so cute.
You think your belly gonna be hanging out.
Yeah, I know.
It
Ito,
looks on you. What's
yeah,
the-
it's
how
short
much?
though. So
I
how
think
much
that's
is
the
it?
style though.
It's
It's
11
$11.99.
for that. Oh, okay. No, okay.
No.
It's a makeup for Jam Jam. She said she wants to,
Oh, Jim wants some makeup.
yeah, or just, ayan mga makeup nila.
It's still like a,
This is like Sephora. Mga ano to, this is like good brands of makeup. Because I got some makeup, my makeup
brands are
here.
good brands.
Yeah, it's a good brand of makeup.
They
I already
all
got
have
some
their
of
differences, but
my eyebrows. What do you call this? I got it here.
liner?
Yeah, the eyeliner.
You got look like a little set. from what
She
they
said
like
she
a little
wants,
set.
Leia wants the blush on one.
Leia wants too.
Yeah, she wants blush. She just wants the blush on. Just, oh, this is eyeshadow. Yeah. They can, what do you call this?
Share.
They can share. That's what I'm trying to,
What's your
because
hypothesis?
it's expensive.
Yeah, this stuff is crazy.
Ito expensive
You
to.
only gotta do
It's eyeshadow.
Winter
We're not
first.
gonna buy it right now, so we're just
No.
looking. Yan mga ano nila, foundation. This is like concealer.
Yeah, it's
They have
plastic.
concealer. Concealer. Ayun guys, madami silang mga lipstick din. They have different kinds. They have eyelashes. They have
Oh, we should
perfume
get you
too.
a pair of caterpillars.
What is that?
Want a pair of
For me?
caterpillars? Yeah.
No. Dito ko nakuha yung eyeliner
You have to
ko.
feed those?
For, I mean, eyebrows pala and mascara. Ang ganda.
Alive.
They have foundations. I don't see. Oh, this is the blush. It's a cute one.
Is that blush?
Yeah, that's blush. It's contour, powder. You can use that for three things, three kinds. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is cream.
looking for you.
It's a
We're not
cream
looking for you.
blush. It's a cream blush.
Is that better?
I don't know. I never. Okay, dami na. Yung dami. Pak. Okay. Ano nila? This is Esther. Esther chocolates, right? Jelly bean. Is this good?
That's for Easter. Jelly beans?
Oh, for kids?
Yeah,
For
it's
Easter naman.
You put them in like
Yan na, madami na
baskets.
yung mga Easter nila dito.
Like that, and you get a carrot.
No. It's a joke. Look at this green.
So Chinese man.
Let me see if it's this one.
Balag ano,
I get rushing to get you.
nag-alarm. Yeah, just go straight. Yung ano may
A
nag-alarm.
million people trying to get you.
Uwi na kami. Worried that they might gonna catch her.
That's nice. They're trying not to steal.
I know. Not like you.
Me?
Dito na kami. Sa labas. Daming tao sa cruise. Can't believe how many people in there.
There's a lot of people in there. Normally there's not that much.
Okay. Punta na kaming Costco, guys. After that, uwi na. Kain na kami. Late lunch. Okay. So, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog. Say bye, Melo. Bye!
Right.